Now, in this tutorial question 2020-2021, which this question is drawn from the elementary differential and integral calculus, the question reads, for what values of x would the derivative of f of x equals to 2x cubed minus 24x be 0? So what values of x would this derivative be equals to what? To 0. Now, all we have to do first of all is to find the derivative of this function, which is given as f of x equals 2x cubed minus 24x. So the function, the derivative is f prime of x. And in taking the derivative, we use the power 3 to times 2x to give us 6x. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Then minus, this is x power 1. 1 times 24x will give us 24. And mind you, okay, let's write it out. X power 1 minus 1, all right? And eventually we are going to have 6x squared minus 24, because x power 1 is 0, and anything raised to 0 must give us 1. So 1 times 24 will give us 24. So there you have it. We have the derivative to be equals to what? 6x squared minus 24. But the question says that for what values of x will this derivative be 0? Okay, what does that mean? It means that the derivative f of x must give us what? 0. So which means that we'll write our 6x squared minus 24 and equate it to what? To 0. Now, without telling you, you know you're moving your minus 24 to this side to become plus 24. So which means we have 6x squared equals to 0 plus 24 will give us 24. Now, we know we are looking for x. We need to divide both sides by 6 in this case. And if we do that division, our x squared will become 4. Well, how do we get this 4? Our 6 will cancel 24 4 times. Now, we need to remove the square in order for us to get this x. And what do? We take the root of both sides. So we can say x squared, then we'll put our root sign. Then on the right side, for us to take the value for this, we take our plus and minus, and we'll put our root what? 4. So this root will cancel this square to give us x, therefore, to become plus or minus 2. What this means is that s could be plus 2 or s could be what? Minus 2. And these are the two values of x. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'm very sure you are learning. Please do share this video with your friends. You can also like the content of this video and other videos that you've watched from this channel. You can leave a comment in the comment section for us. Subscribe if you have not done so. Please help me to subscribe in this channel and share it with your friends, encouraging each and every one of them to also subscribe so that this channel can be shown to as many people that need to learn mathematics in an easy way. Please do help me to share this video and also subscribe. Thank you for your time.